Hey and welcome to the Minimalist Plan. Today we're gonna do a sauna tour of our latest sauna build. So we're stoked to show you this van conversion, which is a little bit different from a regular van conversion. First, you can see when you come to the entrance, we have our fire sauna rules, so people can see what the rules are. We have the entrance. We cut a hole or opening here because the floor went all the way out, so it's easier to get in. We have a fire extinguisher. On the right side we have hooks, so you can hang up your coats and your clothes when you're gonna do the sauna. And over here we have marked this bench with wood, so we store the wood in here. Right now we have some water as well, but usually it's just wood in there. A little bit of a cubby thing where we usually have our light and some cables and stuff. This water, because we store our water bottles in here. And we also installed a little pump that's not in use right now, but we're gonna install it properly soon, and then you can pump water into this, to your container, and take it with you into the sauna. We have USB charging here, and we have the lights here. So one light here, and then you have the mirror so it doesn't get too claustrophobic in here when you're changing. And then we have the lights for inside the sauna. We got this sauna door secondhand, and it's really cool. And it's just, you can see how it just fits into the van here. And then we open this up, and then we go into the sauna room. So in here we have installed 2 benches. We can comfortably seat 5 people in here. So everything you can see in here is built out of spruce tree, or Norwegian spruce, and it's good because it doesn't heat up that much when you sit on it or if you lean on it. So that's the good thing with using spruce in a sauna. The van is built up in like a freezing van, so it was already insulated. So the only thing we had to do was to use tongue and groove and build the walls. And we installed 2 LED strips, so there's plenty of light in here. And we also have a ventilation hole right here, and also a ventilation hole beneath the wood stove. The floor is glass fiber, so that won't burn at all. The interesting part of this van is the fireplace. So the fireplace, we were sponsored by Hume. So Hume is from Estland, which is one of the Baltic countries. The unique thing about this stove is that you have all these rocks that heats up when the stove gets hot. It just looks and feels really sturdy, and it's just amazing. Thanks to Hume for sponsoring the oven. A little bit about fire safety. So everyone's very concerned when you have a sauna in a van, which we find a little bit strange, because you have 2 exits in a sauna, or in the van sauna, one in the back and one on the side. So that's one extra compared to other saunas. People ask if it's dangerous with the diesel tank, and I would say no. It's just as dangerous as any other sauna out there. You of course have to be careful when you leave the sauna. You close the lid here so nothing falls out and can catch fire. But apart from that, everything is up to safety standards. If you want to rent the sauna van, give us a call, or check out firesauna.com, and you can book this van if you're here in Stavanger in Norway. So it's really cool if you're out in nature, and if you visit some waterfall or a lake or whatever, you can just pull the van straight up to the spot where you want to camp or where you want to do the sauna, and then you fire up the van, and it takes around 30 minutes to get hot, and then you can do the sauna anywhere, anytime. So we're stoked on building this van. Sweet, see you in the next one.